Always avoid unnecessary tangents. There's lesson number one in art. You don't want this here. I'm gonna have like a aquarium behind it with a little shark with a laser gun hat. Just something that it really cheesy and dumb looking. Because let's face it, no one's gonna take a shark with a laser gun on his head very seriously anyway. But here's the bottom of the aquarium. You don't want, it's okay to have something that goes through, but you don't want his belly to touch there. Unnecessary tangents are really distracting. Oh, and maybe in a little bit, if we get all the way to inking, I'll show you a nice trick for drawing the shark inside the panel, but then making that gun pop over top. Because that's the one shortcoming. It's not a shortcoming. It's just how it's built in Manga Studio. I don't like everything to be inside the panel. I like things to pop out. I'm kind of like a Jack Kirby fan in that regard. So I'll show you how to do that when we ink. Hey, this is Brad. Make sure you like that video and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to see future live stream chats. If you'd like to be part of the next live stream chat as it's happening, you can become a Patreon backer at patreon.com/Guigar. And if you'd like to hear me talking even more about comics and making a living from comics, I'm joined by my good friend Dave Kellett every week on the Comic Lab podcast. That's available any place you get your podcasts. Also, check out webcomics.com. That's a site I've been doing for nearly 10 years now with news, tutorials, information, and advice for the working web cartoonists. And don't forget, you can pick up my book, The Webcomics Handbook, at amazon.com. Thanks again, and I hope you're having a great day.